Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If screen recording in Snipping Tool is not working on your computer, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing we need to do is run a Windows update. We can do that by right clicking on the start button, going to settings, click on Windows update and click on check for updates. Then we need to restart the computer and check if the Snipping Tool is opening and then open the option for screen recording and it should work. If it doesn't work, then we need to update the snipping tool in the Windows Store. So we will click on Windows Store, search for the snipping tool, and if there is an update involved, it will come as update. Just click on update and it should start working. If that too doesn't work, then we have an option of repairing and resetting the snipping tool app. So look for snipping tool in the search bar and click on app settings. Scroll down. First we'll click on repair and then we'll wait till it repairs and we get a tick mark, and then we'll click on reset and we'll wait for it to reset till it gets a tick mark, and then we will reopen the snipping tool and look if the screen recording is working in feature is working in snipping tool. If that too doesn't work, then the only option is to reinstall the app. So we will look for snipping tool. You can do this through the app feature in settings as well, but this is the faster method. All right, so we will scroll down and we will click on uninstall. Once it is uninstalled, we will go to Windows Store and we will search for snipping tool. There you go. And we will click on get. And once that is open, it is installed, it should start working perfectly fine. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.